How would you feel if you could enjoy a meat delicacy without any guilt? No worries about an animal being slaughtered or contributing to carbon emissions. Well, this could soon turn into reality for Americans. The Food and Drug Administration has declared lab-grown meat product to be safe for human consumption, and this has given new hope to Americans that their favorite lab-synthesized meat items could one day be available in grocery stores. A food technology company, Upside Foods, is harvesting cells from viable animal tissues, and it is growing edible meat under controlled conditions in bioreactors using vegetable protein. The firm says the products will be identical to conventional meat. The FDA's announcement taking cultivated meat step closer to Americans' dinner plates. But there are still hurdles when it comes to widespread availability. Upside's chicken production technology can be adopted for producing multiple animal species, but each product will need approval from the federal regulators before going to the market. And every firm that makes these products will need approval from the FDA and the USDA, even if it follows a production method that already has been approved. The cultivated meat industry has grown to more than 151 companies globally. It is backed by investments of more than $2.6 billion. But despite the money and the hope invested in simulated meat products, the market has cooled down for them, it seems, as initial costs of production can make lab-cultured meat quite expensive. Whether consumers will embrace this form of meat remains a question. Experts say lab meat could be a game changer for global nutrition if they can replicate the taste and texture of traditional meat, that too at a similar or lower cost and with fewer downsides. Alternatives to traditional animal agriculture can help in mitigating climate change. They were extensively discussed this week at the COP27 summit in Sharm el-Sheikh. According to studies, animal-based foods are responsible for as much as 20% of total greenhouse gas emissions. And if meat consumption continues, according to the current trends, it will be impossible to keep global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. As of now, Singapore is the only country that has legalized selling lab-cultured meat products. But the FDA's recent announcement is likely to open the floodgates in the US in the coming months. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.